Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anna and I keep answering multiple questions that I receive from students and new grads about medical device industry and medical device sales. In my previous video, I told you about 10 reasons why medical device sales can be a great option to consider while you're looking for a job. No matter if you're a new grad or maybe you're already working, but you're looking into changing your career path. Perhaps you are already looking into jobs in medical device sales, but you don't know what is required to get a position and you're trying to assess your success chances. If any of it applies to you, keep watching because this video will be helpful. Medical sales jobs will be in high demand. Aging population is growing and healthcare expenditure is increasing year to year. Of course, the industry is changing like any other industry, and it will have some adjustments in the future due to some online presence. However, medical sales remains face-to-face industry and requires interpersonal communication. And actually, this is why it's known for generous compensation. Medical sales is a very competitive industry, and of course, it requires certain credentials. Prerequisites for medical device sales jobs can be related to specific field of knowledge or experience level. Some companies would hire new grads and some companies will look for people with pretty extensive sales experience. Also, some jobs can be purely transactional, and this is where companies would prefer someone with business background and someone who can negotiate and persuade. And some jobs can require more clinical and technical knowledge, and companies will prefer to have someone who is comfortable with clinical and technical conversations. Let me tell you about basic requirements for education and experience for medical device sales job in Canada. First of all, the successful candidate will have to have undergraduate degree. It's a must. You have to know about it because when I was hiring my team members, I received a lot of applications from people with just high school diploma or 2-year diploma from college. Unfortunately, it's industry-wide practice to hire people with undergraduate degree. Most common degrees qualified for medical sales are Bachelor of Science, Business and Marketing, Kinesiology, Education, Biomedical Engineering. Advanced degrees are not necessary, same as special certificates, because this industry is heavily relied on transferable skills as well as previous experience and personal traits. So now let's talk about sales experience. Most of the job listings for medical device sales will have 5 years of sales experience in related field listed on their prerequisites, which means they're looking for experienced salespeople. But what if you do not have those 5 years? Don't worry, there is a way to get around it. Think about it. Maybe while you were a student, you were working part-time in retail, or I get some messages from people working in telecommunication sales or software sales. Use those experiences towards your application, towards your resume. One thing that you need to present to your hiring manager, and that will be a crucial component of your application as a candidate, is that you have to show that you were working in sales in a competitive environment and you were rewarded and compensated based on your performance, based on your sales. Because this is how salespeople, I guess successful salespeople, are being rated and being rewarded in general. And that's part of my story too. I did not have any sales experience in medical field, but I had many years of sales experience in retail. Again, make sure you use the opportunity to show that you were working in highly competitive environment and you were compensated based on your performance. We covered education and sales experience, but on top of that, this industry heavily values soft skills, and HR and recruiters are looking for specific personal traits for successful candidates. And I'm going to give you a list of those traits. You can write them down, and you can use them for your resume and of course for your interviews in the future. These traits are excellent interpersonal communication skills, self-organization, strong work ethics, independence, compassion, desire to help people, ability to work under pressure, flexibility and adaptability to change. Of course, there are some basic technical skills and knowledge required, something like Microsoft knowledge or experience with working with CRM. If you do not know what CRM is, Google it, because you can Google some programs like Oracle, Salesforce, Zoho. There are multiple CRM systems, as well as excellent writing skills, because you will write emails, presentations, reports, etc. And some basic data analysis will also require. So use this list of traits and knowledge for your resume, and I think your chances to get a job in medical device sales will increase drastically. And of course, you have to have those traits too, because you cannot just lie about having them. How you present those skills to your potential employer is also playing a big role. You should be able to send a key message to your hiring manager and to your future employer that all the skills and all the personal traits that you possess will help their business and their company to succeed. I think that should be the key message you are trying to deliver, and I think this is what helps you the most in your job application, and especially an interview, because that's the goal of any company, that's the goal of any business, and hiring manager should see that you are a team player and you want to help business to grow. I hope all this information was helpful for you. I hope you will make some notes and you will make some adjustments to your resume, and you'll score an interview, and of course you'll get a job. I wish you all the best. I wish you good luck with the job search. And if you have any comments, any questions, please let me know. You can subscribe to my channel. You can also leave your comments below under this video, and I will keep answering your questions about medical device sales and medical device industry. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.